Hi friends, this is Dr. Vetere. I want to welcome you to our 5-minute stretching routine. Now this is a routine that you should be doing every single day, every single morning preferably. First thing in the morning, before you do anything else, I want you to stretch and get your body limber for the day. And it'll be of a great benefit for you for the entire day, especially for those folks that wake up in the morning and you're sort of bent over and you can't move your arms and your shoulders. This is a great routine to warm you up and get you ready to roll in the day. And the best part about it is you do it right in your bedroom. As a matter of fact, you do it right in your bed. You're not even going to get out of the bed. Now, we're going to use for demonstration purposes a chair and a mat. So let's get started right now with our 5-minute morning stretch. I'm sitting in this chair, but it could very well be your bed that you're sitting on. You start off, keep your legs sort of square in front of you, your shoulders square. Try to straighten up your back, your shoulders back, and looking straight ahead. We're going to start off, to make it simple, we're going to start off with the top, working from your head down, right down to your toes, and we're going to start off with our neck. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to tilt our head forward as far as you can, just letting the weight of your head stretch forward, and then you go back, just using the weight of your head, and then side, about 7 or 8 seconds to each side, side to side. Now, of course, if you feel any pain in any of the movements, you need to stop. And before you do any type of stretching and or exercise routine, make sure you speak to your healthcare provider, either your medical doctor or your chiropractor, to make sure that your spine and the joints and the muscles in your body are able to handle even stretches which you may seem to be simple, but they could cause problems. So we go forward, back, side, side, and then turn to the right, 7 to 8 seconds. Turn to the left, 7 to 8 seconds. You did your neck. Next, we move on to our shoulders. Take your arms, bring them straight out, make it straight across, parallel to the ground, and we're going to make small rotations going backwards. Do this about 5 or 6 or 7 times until you feel your shoulders just start warming up, just pushing it backwards. Then you stop and you start rotating forward, keeping in mind your arms should be straight out, not down or up. Rotating it forward, forward, and keep on going forward until both arms are straight out in front of you like this. Next step, grab your elbow. So you would take your right hand, grab your left hand, grabbing you see this can get crazy. You grab your left hand on your right elbow and you're going to bring it straight across your body, again keeping your shoulder, meaning your arm shoulder height across. Okay? Just using the strength in your arm, you stretch it across. Then reverse it, bring it across, right hand pulling the left arm across. Next, you take your left wrist on your right hand, you bring it over your head, and you're stretching your whole torso. Not only your shoulder, but you're also stretching your side and your lateral part of your body. Stretch it straight over in this direction. Keeping in mind, again, make sure your back is straight. Switch wrists, bring it over this direction, okay, to your right, allowing the whole side of your body to stretch. What you've done in this shoulder exercise so far is you've stretched your shoulders both forward, backwards, rotation. You've also stretched the flank. Now, again, with your body straight, bring your right arm across your left knee and just turn your whole body, your whole torso. You take your left hand and put it on the low part of your spine and just turn your whole body all the way over, turning to your left. Hold it again, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, until you feel that body part or the muscles beginning to warm up. Reverse sides, turn again, keeping your back straight. Just rotate it, even using your neck. Again, 5, 6, 7 seconds, and then relax. You still didn't even get out of bed. You're just very, very relaxed in your bed, warming up. Next one, again with your body straight, hands on your thighs, and you just roll or just slide your hands down your knees, down your ankles, all the way down to your feet, and just allow your lower back to stretch out over. Again, holding that for about 5 or 6, 7, 8 seconds. And then you come up. If you need to do that twice or 3 times to limber up your back, go ahead and do it. Remember, this is a 5-minute stretch routine. It may take you 4 minutes, it may take you 8 minutes. You want to do it until you feel your body beginning to warm up. Next, we're going to go over to the mat, which is going to represent the bed, and we're going to do a few more stretches of our lower back and torso, okay? Okay, I'm lying down on the floor on the mat, and this represents you being in the bed. So you just get from that seated position that you were in, you lie flat down on your back. You can keep your knees slightly bent, and what you're just going to do is take your left leg and just bring it over your right leg, and just allow it to stretch your whole torso from your hip right up through your chest into your arm, and just allow it to stretch again 6 to 7, 8 seconds. Just allow it to relax, then you bring it back, and then bring it across this way, allowing it to stretch. Again, about 6 seconds. And then you can come up and just position yourself with like your left leg forward, and then you can just lean over, stretching your hamstring and also your gluteal muscles, stretching over, and then you could do the opposite side. And if you do this stretch in the morning, every morning, I can guarantee you this, you'll feel great, you'll feel limber in the morning. You're not going to have that old man or old woman type of walk out of the bed. You're going to learn that it feels great, and you'll do it every day, just 5 minutes.